Welcome back to Financial Market Insights for Traders. I'm your host, Sophia, and today we're tackling one of the biggest challenges traders face in prop firm evaluations: how to handle strict time limits without rushing and making costly mistakes. If you've ever attempted a prop firm challenge, you know the pressure is real. You've got 30 days, sometimes even less, to hit a profit target while sticking to risk management rules. At first, it seems doable, but as the days go by, the ticking clock starts getting louder. Many traders begin overtrading, risking too much, and making emotional decisions just to meet the deadline. The result? Most fail not because they lack skill, but because they let the time limit push them into bad trading habits. But here's the good news: there's a way to handle this pressure without blowing up your account. Today, we're diving into smart strategies to beat the clock, trade efficiently, and, most importantly, stay disciplined. Plus, we'll discuss why some prop firms, like crystalballmarkets.com, are offering evaluations with no time limits, giving traders the freedom to succeed at their own pace. Let's get started. The psychological trap of time-limited prop trading. Let's talk about why so many traders struggle with prop trading challenges. Most traders start strong, following their strategy, managing risk properly, and taking only the best trade setups. But as the deadline approaches, panic sets in. Suddenly, they're behind on their profit target, and the temptation to force trades becomes overwhelming. Common mistakes include overtrading, taking too many trades in a day, hoping to make quick gains; ignoring risk management, increasing position sizes, or removing stop losses just to hit the target faster; emotional trading, making impulsive decisions based on fear or frustration instead of analysis; desperation trades, going all in the final days, often leading to complete failure. This cycle is the reason why the vast majority of traders fail prop firm challenges. The issue isn't just strategy, it's how they handle the pressure of time constraints. So, how do we fix this? Smart planning: how to manage your trades across the month. The best way to beat the clock is by having a solid plan from day one. Here's how. 1. Break down the profit target into weekly goals. Instead of focusing on the full target, break it into smaller, more manageable pieces. Example: if the challenge requires a 10% profit in 30 days, aim for 2.5% per week or 0.5% per trading day, assuming 5 trading days per week. Why does this help? It keeps you from feeling overwhelmed. It gives you room to recover from small losses. It prevents the need for risky catch-up trades. If you have a great first week and exceed your goal, you now have extra breathing room. But if you fall behind, you still have time to adjust without panic. 2. Trade selectively, quality over quantity. Not every trading day will present a high probability setup. Instead of feeling like you must trade daily, focus only on the best opportunities. Use a simple checklist before entering a trade. Does this trade align with my strategy? Is the risk to reward ratio at least 2 to 1? Am I trading based on analysis, or am I rushing? By being selective, you increase your chances of success and avoid unnecessary losses. 3. Expect drawdowns. Don't let losses push you off track. No trader wins every trade. If you experience a losing streak, the worst thing you can do is double your risk to make it back. Instead, stick to your planned risk per trade, typically 1 to 2% of account balance. Accept small losses as part of the game. Reassess your strategy calmly instead of making emotional adjustments. Losing streaks don't ruin traders. Bad reactions to losing streaks do. 4. Keep a trading journal. Optimize your performance. One of the most overlooked tools for success is a trading journal. Record every trade, including the reason for entry and exit, market conditions at the time, whether you followed your plan or acted emotionally. Reviewing your journal weekly will reveal patterns, both strengths and weaknesses, allowing you to refine your approach before it's too late. Avoiding last week desperation trades. As the final week of the challenge approaches, traders who are behind tend to panic. This is when the worst decisions happen. Here's how to stay in control. 1. Stick to your strategy, no matter what. Your original plan was based on logic. Don't abandon it now. Making random changes in the final days is a recipe for disaster. 2. Don't overleverage just to catch up. Increasing your position size dramatically is one of the most common mistakes traders make. It might work once, but in most cases, it leads to a blown account. 3. Accept the outcome gracefully. If you're behind and unlikely to hit the target, don't throw away discipline. Many prop firms offer discounted reattempts. A failed challenge is just part of the learning process. It's not the end of your trading career. Choosing prop firms with no time limits. If time pressure is a major struggle for you, consider working with a prop firm that doesn't enforce deadlines. Some firms allow traders to meet profit targets at their own pace, removing the unnecessary pressure that leads to bad decision making. Trade at your own pace, no need to force bad trades. Better strategy execution. Focus on quality setups, not the ticking clock. Improve psychological control. Less stress means better decision making. Higher long-term success rates. More time allows for consistent, sustainable growth. One such firm is crystalballmarkets.com, which offers no time limits on evaluations, giving traders the freedom to succeed on their terms. If you failed prop firm challenges in the past due to time pressure, this could be a game changer for you. Final thoughts: winning without rushing. Success in prop trading isn't just about skill. It's about discipline, patience, and smart planning. To recap, break your profit target into weekly or daily goals. Focus on high probability setups, quality over quantity. Accept that drawdowns happen and stick to your risk management rules. Avoid desperation trades in the final days, stick to your plan. If time limits are a major issue, consider prop firms without deadlines like crystalballmarkets.com. By managing your time wisely and keeping emotions in check, you can pass prop trading challenges without rushing and set yourself up for long-term trading success. That's it for today's episode of Financial Market Insights for Traders. I'm Sophia. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this valuable, be sure to subscribe and check out crystalballmarkets.com for the best funded trading opportunities. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next episode.